Good morning, students. Let's start with economics with the earlier what we have learned in case of utility analysis. Today we are going to learn about little extension to this within this utility analysis. What we learned earlier, satisfaction level of the consumer in case of one commodity, that is mango, which we have learned earlier. But now we are going to learn satisfaction of the consumer in case of two commodities. Very simple. It's not complex at all. Just try to concentrate what I say. A consumer goes to the market. He has certain money in his pocket. And when he goes to the market, of course, even though he want to go for one particular commodity, but after looking at many commodities, his attraction level towards the commodities goes on increasing. He will not go for only with that product. He will go for other product also. He would like to consume other product also. It's not in case of fruits. Variety of the things are there. If you go to the mobile shop, you might have decided to go for Vivo mobile, which your friends got, and you wanted to have the same. But the shopkeeper shows you some other branded product, then your expectation will grow. It may change or it will remain the same. That you may go for the same Vivo mobile, as well as you would like to have another Sony mobile. So your expectation will go on changing in the market, and that is in such cases what are the differences comes in the mind of the customer. The same thing we are going to learn here. There is nothing different. What we are learning, just see, we are going to the market, going to purchase one thing, but comes in the mind that I will not purchase only apple, I will go for the bananas also, because both will give me satisfaction, because I prefer both. Simple. So you purchase one unit of one unit of apple, and you go for the another units of bananas. But the thing here is comparison, both very important. One apple will give you 20 level of satisfaction, but one banana will give exactly half of the apple's satisfaction. One banana will be comparable to half of the apple. So instead of that, I will say I'll go for the 16 bananas. Now the 16 bananas will give me nearly satisfaction which is equivalent with the one apple. Just example for you, like one Vivo mobile gives a satisfaction which is equivalent to the 10 micro max mobile. Now you understand the difference, what I mean to say. You are getting my point. You prefer both, but the capacity of one to give you satisfaction is equal to the number of other products. Correct? Capacity to give you satisfaction of one apple is equal to the 10 bananas. Correct? So that is what we are learning here. The satisfaction means marginal utility in case of two commodities. I'll give one example so that your concept will be more clear. So I'll show you one schedule for that. So everything will be practically cleared and once for all. Okay, let's see. See here, apple, bananas, units one side. With the more and more units that you are going to purchase in the market, the satisfaction level in case of apple and bananas goes on decreasing. When you compare both, what comes in your mind? That satisfaction you are getting in case of apple initially is much more as compared to the banana. At the second unit, the same in case of apple, satisfaction level will be down, but as compared to the banana at the second unit, it will be much lesser, because you are getting the highest level of marginal utility for per unit in case of purchasing apple as compared to lowest level of satisfaction marginal utility in case of purchase of bananas. So the two combination of goods at the different level gives you same level of satisfaction with the increasing consumption of number of unit. So this is what you learn, students, marginal equilibrium in case of two commodities, and this helps you to understand the maximum level of satisfaction which the every units gives you. Correct? Maximum level of satisfaction every units 1 2 3 4 5. If it is decreasing both the side, no problem, but the satisfaction level is same. What same I'm talking about? With if you increase the more unit of apple and bananas, both the marginal utility will goes down, but in case of both, the satisfaction level will remain same. Why I says the satisfaction level remains same? It means with the further consumption, the law of diminishing marginal utility clearly states that with the further consumption of any extra units of either apple or banana, your marginal utility will go down, but satisfaction level also in case of both cases will go on diminishing. And here at this second level, still one thing is very much common, that as compared to bananas, apples gives you maximum level of satisfaction in every purchase or consumption of units of apple or banana. So that is what the similarity here, that both cases apples are always gives you maximum satisfaction as compared to bananas. Correct? So this law of diminishing marginal utility and the consumer's equilibrium are little or more both are interconnected with each other. What we have learned so far? Consumer's equilibrium in case of two commodities. The name of one commodity is apple and the name of the second commodity is banana. And in both cases, satisfaction level at every level will goes on diminishing. Correct? And in case of apple, which gives you maximum which you prefer more maximum as compared to the banana, its satisfaction level will be better as compared to the banana. So this is what the students consumer's equilibrium in case of two commodities. Thank you.